Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? I think today we have a different kind of a potluck. So, while it is a potluck and coming from different kitchens, it's not coming from the home kitchens but the cloud kitchens. Now it looks all colorful. So let's go through one by one to see what they are, and friends, let's also use this opportunity to see how some of the good brands are doing packing, and what are the cons and pros. Let's go through them one by one as we open up these boxes. Of course, we are already hungry, so let's get started. Now, when you open the box cover here, okay, Pani Puri, okay, they have a paper napkin, they have a small wooden spoon, okay, they have the aloo and chana masala filling. They have the pani separately in one box.
I like how they have sealed this really well, so that there is no scope for spilling.
And also they have given a sweet pani. I think this is a mirchi and this is the sweet pani. And the boxes for the puri look damn good. You know, most often it looks like your cake box. Okay, so they have given about in a portion of pani puri. If you could notice, they have given 8 puris. Okay, 8 puris in a small box. That also is making sure it is crisp.
Chole bhature?
This is chole bhature. Wow, this almost looks like a pizza box. Okay, now when you open this, okay, they have a butter paper. Okay, how many puris? They have given
Two bhatures.
two bhatures. Okay, they are large enough, I think. And what are they giving it?
Chole and some aloo pickle, plus some salad. Plus there's a pickle.
And some onions on the end.
Onions yahi mein hai.
Oh,
So you can.
this is really silly.
Okay, this is
Reminds me
chole.
of the flights.
I know.
Yeah, I think a lot of people have gone towards this for the pickle. Because
Jams even, I think, maybe.
yeah, jams, pickles.
Use a knife. I think it's easy to.
There's a little bit of something wrong with this particular cover.
That's a challenge.
So generally, most of them do open up easily. When it doesn't, you need to maybe have to cut. Shriram has made the boxes quite colorful,
Very colorful in fact.
and if you notice, most of their boxes have a similar combination of colors: yellow, red, blue, brown. You know, this is the standard colors they are using. In fact, yellow and red, these are all colors that are supposed to, you know,
Induce hunger.
induce hunger. Ishta, shawarma and biryani. Okay, this is a brand that serves shawarmas and biryani. And inside this simple paper cover is one paper napkin.
Wow, that looks nice.
And a smart looking box, and
Almost like a perfume.
Seriously, I've never seen a shawarma pack like this. That looks cool.
so this is the ready-made one that you buy.
This looks very cool.
But this, I think, packaging is damn good.
Nice.
Very
Oh,
nice.
it's another packaging inside.
So there's no spillovers
Plus maybe heat.
also.
Yeah, see the silver foil here is broadly to maintain the temperature, and I think the outer box is for the branding.
Why can't we have something to drink? What's this? Goli soda?
Okay, looks good. It's a PET bottle. It's not a glass bottle. Okay, and
Shape is nice though.
yeah, and this Goli soda, we used to have it as children in a bottle that we all used to love. We have in different flavors. Now, as I say, life comes a full circle. This is a 280 ml. It has a manufacture date and use by date. Okay, which has a nice byline, you know, bowl me over. Okay, simple. Do not except if the seal is broken. They have put the price tag. This is 107 rupees. It is what is got? Sambar vada. So this is a typical food grade plastic container. I think this is a 500 ml one, or maybe slightly smaller. Let's see how this looks.
You want to remove the.
Oh,
So, what does it look to you?
Looks Duncan.
Okay, so it has had a good bath, deep bath in the sambar for a long time, and should have absorbed quite a bit of sambar. See, most people are using this format of a simple white cover or a brown cover with the spoon inside. Either a wooden one, or wooden ones are a little more expensive as compared to the plastic ones. Okay, this is again a spoke, a wooden spoke. Okay, now let me try with wooden spoke. How easy or difficult is it to actually?
This fork is much more broader, so it should be okay. It looks broader at least.
Really looks good. Firstly, it reminded me of those the small cracker boxes that you used to get as children. Where you used to have everything. But otherwise, some of the good shirt brands also use some packaging like this. The colors are the same, if you noticed. Red, yellow, and bit of a blue. So from this box, when you open it, okay, now for the packaging, you can give it 10 on 10 here, because this really looks good, and when delivered,
Very smart.
has a nice feel to it. As I say, love at first sight. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So this is a good example of it.
Comes.
The meal.
It's a Nawabi Deluxe Thali.
Okay, what is the price at?
This is priced at $299.
Okay, 300 rupees. And he's given you a small wet wipe. Okay. Pickle, of course, again branded. Mixed with pickle.
What is this? इसमें क्या है? पापड़ है.
This could possibly be the mouth freshener. Let's just open it and see.
Toothpick too.
Oh, see, this is nice. In this small cover, he's put together three things. One, a toothpick, also branded. There's an element of cost when you're trying to brand everything. Okay, it has a zing, but comes at a cost. Then he is given pepper in case you want to spice up your food a little bit more, and of course, mouth freshener after meal. He's given you a wooden spoon, albeit a smaller one, a wet wipe, a pickle, and then the food in a tray which has been vacuum sealed. Okay. Now, one advantage with this is generally the most of the containers from one slot to the other, food kind of moves on unless it is completely sealed. With a vacuum sealing like this, that is kind of taken care of. So each item, the curry, the gravy, the rice, they all remain in their original positions. So that's a good thing. Little effort, yes, to open the cover, but I guess it's not so difficult.
The challenge here is this thing to be consistent all the time. That I previously, when I ordered this, I couldn't easily remove this.
Okay.
So I had to cut open each slot.
No, I think maybe the exception. I think most of the covers of this nature gets sealed well.
Yes.
Maybe the kind of sealing machine they use. So now you see all the food very nicely presented in their own containers. There's a rice, there is a curry, there's a salad, there's a dahi vada, there's a dessert, and a bread.
This will be great for
And of course,
travel or train, or
It reminds me of train travel only.
If I ordered this in the last minute and I don't have time, I'm busy packing, take this on the train or on the bus, sleeper bus, and
Just go.
Yeah, in fact, even even in offices, when you call people and host, where you want to have a complete meal, I think this kind of an option. Now, this is actually typically what 8-slot box, 6. Yeah, it's an 8-slot box. See, most often the meals are all coming in a 5-slot or 8-slot boxes. Okay, an 8-slot box is generally a premium one with a dessert and everything included. So the meal box itself looks good. And Haldiram's food is also tasty. So this is one good example of a fantastic packing that we could consider when we are looking at the silver foil to hold the breads. And even after a couple of hours, now that we ordered it almost 2 hours back, and they're opening now. He's used. He's given, see, okay, here one critical point, friends. Please notice, he's given stuffed parathas. Okay. While no bread, after delivery can be as good as being served hot, be it pulkas or rotis or naan or any of them. Okay. Something like a stuffed paratha, while maintains a lot of its originality, because it is having that stuffed thing aloo inside it, and the taste won't vary. Okay, and temperature also holds good. Little bit of crispiness is lost. I think that's an acceptable change as compared to having a roti here or a naan, which generally tends to get rubbery. So stuffing, any stuffed thing or a pulka is a good choice for a bread in a meal box or in any other format when you deliver it or through a cloud kitchen. So possibly you guys could taste this and give a
papad.
feedback. Oh yeah, okay. He's given the papad also. Fantastic. There's a pickle, there's a papad.
complete meal, complete meal. That's crisp.
Yeah.
This must be roasted, not fried.
And still, it's
Because in the
crisp
silver
in
foil,
the-
no?
Yeah. And I think they did a good thing by making half pieces of it, right? I mean, if they try to keep the one, it might have cracked, and so it's a good thing it's small
Yeah.
already.
It's good to keep smaller pieces here.
Yeah.
Now the packing is nice.
These are amazing, actually.
They're quite colorful. The cover is okay. So this khichdi is a spinach multi-grain khichdi. Costs about
214.
all inclusive. Yeah, correct. Okay. Now let's see what all comes with the cover.
Papad churi.
Okay. This is a good thing. Everybody loves some papad chura with the grain.
Okay, spoon again.
A good sized spoon, there's an advantage. So we have seen certain spoons are all very small and will not be ideal for a mouthful of a meal. So right from the cover to the papad chura to the spoon, well presented, simple, no nonsense, and something that you can always eat. Okay, we give it in a cloth cover that comes outside, sealed again with a sealing tag. Okay, once you open it, inside are these options. Papad chura, this is the
The bread.
bread,
Papad.
and if you look at this cover,
This comes if you order as in a la carte, as a curry and roti. So these are the Moltec boxes, right?
yeah, see inside we again have a mouth freshener. Okay, toothpick. So we will not bother to put a cover for the toothpick because it's already going into a cover. And this paper napkin and spoke. We are using a spoke again.
So these are the
we-
Moltec boxes.
Yeah, this is a different order by itself. But if you look at the meal box, okay, we have also the 8-slot box, just like the Haldiram one, except that we don't seal it, vacuum seal it. We've taken a good brand which ensures that the spillover is not there from a container to a container, and it looks good, easy to remove. We put stickers to maintain that it is remains strong. Now, which is a curry. Now, this comes in a 500 ml box. Now, this is made by Moltec. Okay. Now, here the branding has happened completely on the box itself. Okay. These are expensive. Okay. I think the 500 ml box costs around 11-12 rupees, and the 1000 ml is actually 1080 ml costs around 16.5 rupees approximately. Okay. The good thing is it holds temperature very well. Okay. Looks damn good. Okay. And it has it's tamper proof. So once you open it, people will know that this has been tampered. So you have to break open this seal here to be able to open the lid. And you open the lid. This is the curry here. Okay. And I'm sure it's delicious. Been having it for a long time now. And this is the packaging for a curry. Okay.
The cost is including the after post branding, or
Yeah, the cost is, there is an element of cost because of the branding. If you take a plain box of Moltec, it won't cost you so much. But we want it branded because we feel that eventually nobody is going to throw this box away. Okay, even in our own house, if you see these boxes after usage get washed and hold something or the other in the house. Okay,
Very useful to give food.
yeah, and when it is lying around in your house, is also kind of a reminder about the brand constantly.
true.
So that advantage is there with, and also we talk about our catering here.
Branding opportunity to stay with the customer.
Absolutely. So investing in good packaging is good. Let me show you that other one. See, this is a 500 ml package. This is a 750 ml package. We have a bigger version of this as a 1000 ml package also. No, biryani, we give it in two variations, regular and large. So the regular rice items go in this 750 ml box. This is also orange and colorful. This is also same. It's tamper proof again. Tamper proof here, if you notice. And here we have not gone for branding on the whole thing to bring the cost down. Instead, we got stickers made, oval stickers, which we stick on the top. So equally looks good while cutting the cost. So you will have to balance out based on how you price your menu. Some of them maybe you will go all out and go for the best. Some of them you will say, okay, I'll go for the good best product, but in terms of branding, I'll compromise a little bit, still making it look good. And maybe a few items possibly you will not do so much of branding at all. Okay. So this is Azrika Utsav. Now let's see. You cut it open. See, it looks good. BehrosBiryani.com branding. Now when you open the box, okay.
See, this is so nice.
It's a story. What is it in here? You can read out.
The long lost recipe of Behros. Legends whisper of a kingdom that went to war not for land, love, or gold, but for this royal recipe. Now 2000 years old.
Okay. Now, let us see what all comes in the brand. Okay, this is the cover that is giving. I think this has a. See, if you look at the
Complete
box
Yeah,
inside,
royal
it is perfectly holding all of this together. There's no mismatch. It is kind of it's fixed. Things have been planned in such a way that inside all the covers are made to the sizes where they don't move.
Spoon.
Wooden spoon again.
They have branded to the T.
This is
I think
mouth freshener.
tissues.
So the cost of the biryani, $430. Okay, now that's expensive for the quantity, and the biryani is directly gone into the box. Of course, I'm sure they've used a lining inside.
But does it retain the temperature?
Not greatly. Not
Because
greatly.
the food is
Yeah. In terms of temperature retention, this kind of a thing is not the best. Only for a very short duration it could retain temperature. In terms of presentation, it looks very good. You don't need anything else. You just open the box and then have the meal from the box itself. Especially if you have made packaging so well. If you're visiting somebody, or if you want to gift it to somebody.
Festive season,
This
especially.
festive season, yes, this is a fantastic gift by itself. You could possibly add your sticker here, okay, and wishing whatever is a Christmas or New Year's or birthday, whatever it is, and this is a fantastic product. I like this a lot.
Theobroma.
What is this?
I don't know what it is again. A patisserie. Mumbai brand. Wow, this looks good.
Okay, Theobroma. Okay, the food of the gods. Wow. Okay,
That looks good.
Theobroma Patisserie India. Food of the gods. Okay, wow.
Bombay based.
Okay, and the cover looks good. Open it from here.
You have to open it.
Okay, this is tricky. See, what has happened is, end of the day, even though the brand is good,
Cupcake.
the side up is not very clearly mentioned, and eventually when it came, it opened up. Otherwise,
No. It should be.
there is a slot for it to sit neatly. Maybe just mentioning the side up could help a lot. Otherwise, the brownie is supposed to be
It's a cupcake.
sitting cupcake, yeah, sitting inside like this.
But see, the icing has got smashed.
Yeah. So when you buy a premium brand and for some small mistake of not putting exactly the side up and clear opening instructions, you would. It looks a little messy. The taste might be great, but this could be avoided with a little more care. But otherwise, it's a good brand, and I'm sure the product will be delicious.
Looks good.
So a lot of now desserts are coming in the jars. Okay, this costs 169 rupees. It's a mousse, mango mousse, and looks good.
I think the advantage of a jar is that it also goes on stores. That it's a store sellable than just a unit. I mean,
Yeah.
There is a lot of this in supermarkets.
Yes.
Yes. Now this is an ice cream. Okay, that's come from a.
They have gone to an extra mile and they've given a mask too.
Okay, I'm sure you don't need this because if you're going to eat this, you will not be using it. But look at the cover. For an ice cream, it's a very smartly made cover. Okay, let's open this and see how they presented the ice cream inside.
This is not paper, in fact. As in
Cardboard.
Yeah, cardboard. Come on. Wow, they've given a steel spoon. Amazing.
Or is
Wow.
it a plastic with steel look?
No, it's a steel spoon. It might be a lower quality, but it's a steel spoon.
It's a steel spoon. Dry ice, handle with care. So how do they make sure that the ice cream doesn't melt during the delivery time? Okay, dry ice is the standard format that all good brands use. So when you
It's again sealed.
open
inside,
it,
ensuring there is no. Wow.
so where is the dry ice as such?
It's melted. It is quite cold. But see, this itself is sealed so well.
No, but that's fine. But where's the dry ice?
Can it evaporate?
Melted? I don't think that's a mask.
Is that a teacup?
That's a teacup.
So it's like a one for the keeps.
Yeah, open it. Let's see how it looks. The ice creams are good. Almond House.
It's a local brand.
It's a local brand, and yeah, it is.
Premium teacup.
Also because I think possibly we kept it in the fridge. I think this is a vegan ice cream.
Yeah, it's an almond vegan ice cream.
So this is an almond vegan ice cream. Smart one. We'll keep it for the end. And they actually have given a steel spoon. Though of a
No, that's
no,
a steel.
this is steel. Steel thinner gauge. So ideal, because if the ice cream is actually
Hard.
then a plastic won't be able to break it down. This can. Now again, it of course is given it in a plastic cover, which is also branded. And let's use this knife to cut it. So you have to cut it, and then the Nilofer chai. So this is a Tetra Pak. Okay, it fairly holds the temperature. Okay, maybe
It's
for an hour or so, but after that it keeps falling. He not only gives you the thing, he gives you these cups. Okay, so for about 6 cups of tea, the charge is about $100 roughly. Yeah, in and around that. And open the nozzle, pour it, and the cup size also is nice.
Cups are nice too.
You would have got some ideas from the thing today. Okay, so watch the video, and hopefully you enjoyed watching this. We are going to enjoy eating it also, and whatever unique branding or packaging that you are using for your brand, please go ahead and post on the group. All of us would love to know. We would like to congratulate you, and let's keep learning more on many fronts like we did about packaging today. Okay, let's keep it live, and let's rock. See you soon. Bye.